Welcome back to Warfighter University. I'm Eric Curry, and today we're breaking down one of the most critical organizations that keeps a Stryker Infantry Battalion in the fight, the Forward Support Company, or FSC. The FSC is the lifeline of a maneuver battalion. Its mission is straightforward but essential: provide field-level maintenance, recovery, supply, fuel, ammunition, and transportation support to the line companies. Without the FSC, combat power stalls, literally. Let's walk through the major capabilities and the equipment that makes this company effective. The backbone of the FSC's ability to move supplies comes from vehicles like the HEMTT, Heavy Expanded Mobility Tactical Truck, and the FMTV, Family of Medium Tactical Vehicles. HEMTTs are heavy haulers. Configurations include cargo variants for bulk supplies, the M978 fueler carrying 2,500 gallons of JP8, and the M984 Wrecker, a recovery vehicle capable of towing and lifting disabled trucks. FMTVs are versatile medium trucks used to move Class 1 food, Class 5 ammo, and Class 9 repair parts. Their smaller footprint makes them ideal for restricted terrain where HEMTTs can't maneuver. Together, HEMTTs and FMTVs form the distribution backbone of the battalion, ensuring that everything from water to ammunition reaches the fight. Keeping Strykers and support vehicles operational is one of the FSC's most important functions. This is where the Forward Repair System, FRS, and recovery platforms come in. The FRS is mounted on an FMTV and provides mobile welding, fabrication, and component repair forward on the battlefield. The M984 Wrecker supports vehicle recovery, lifting power packs, and towing damaged HEMTTs or Strykers. The FSC also fields containerized kitchens, water trailers, and distribution platforms to sustain soldiers in the field. You'll see M149 water buffalo trailers for Class 1 hydration and expeditionary kitchens that feed an entire company. Supply platoons within the FSC handle the request, receipt, storage, and issue of all classes of supply, keeping the companies resourced during continuous operations. Beyond the systems already mentioned, the FSC includes contact maintenance trucks, mobile tool shops that bring mechanics forward, PLS trailers and flat racks, enabling modular resupply and rapid throughput of bulk items. The Stryker Infantry Battalion depends on the FSC for operational reach. Without fuel, the Strykers can't maneuver. Without recovery and repair, broken vehicles stay deadlined. Without supply distribution, soldiers can't fight for long. The FSC turns a battalion from a formation that can fight for hours into one that can fight for days, weeks, or longer. As junior leaders, understanding the FSC's capabilities means knowing when and how to integrate sustainment into your operations. It's not glamorous, but logistics wins wars. I'm Eric Curry, and this is Warfighter University. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram at @WarfighterUniv for more professional military education content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.